Let's be real, 2024 was brutal. Remember endlessly refreshing stock tickers, panicking over every Fed announcement? Yeah, I'm trying to forget it too. That's why this year I completely shifted gears. Instead of chasing the next hot stock, I built a portfolio that practically runs itself. And the best part? Last month, while I was sipping mojitos on a beach, it made me $6,422. So, ditch the stress and let's dive into the 5 set-and-forget investments that are going to make 2025 your richest year yet. Alright, first up is something truly next level. Wait until you hear number 3. It's shocking. We've all heard about AI taking over, right? Well, guess what? It's already happening in the investing world. Vanguard, one of the biggest names in the game, just launched the VAI, that's VAI, and it's already crushing it. This ETF is 100% run by artificial intelligence. No emotions, no second guessing, just pure data-driven decisions. And the results? Up 18% in the first quarter of 2025 alone. I'm talking about beating the market while it was still tying its shoelaces. This thing is like having a team of Wall Street analysts working for you 24/7, except it doesn't charge an arm and a leg in fees. Seriously, the expense ratio on this is ridiculously low. But, and this is a big but, there's always a catch, right? The one thing I'll say is this. Don't let the gains go to your head. This isn't a license to get reckless with your money. Stay disciplined, diversify, and remember, past performance isn't a guarantee of future returns. Okay, let's talk passive income, because who doesn't love getting paid to do, well, nothing? This next one's a game changer, especially if you're tired of the whole waiting years to see returns thing. Everyone, meet the paycheck stock. This company is at the forefront of the quantum computing revolution. Yeah, I know it sounds complicated, but here's the simple part. They pay out a dividend every single Thursday. That's right, every Thursday. Like clockwork, you get a deposit straight into your brokerage account. And we're not talking about pennies here, people. This bad boy yields 9.2% annually. That means for every $10,000 invested, you're looking at an extra $920 per year just for holding the stock. Imagine, while everyone else is glued to their screens, stressing about the market, you're out there living your life, knowing that Thursday is payday. It's like having your own mini ATM that dispenses cash every week. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hey, this sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? And you're right to be skeptical. Higher yields usually come with higher risk. This company is still in its early stages and the quantum computing market is just getting started. But hey, high risk, high reward, right? Wait until you see number 5. Now, for those of you who like to follow the greats, this next pick is straight out of Warren Buffett's playbook. And trust me, it's a fascinating one. The Oracle of Omaha himself just made a massive investment in a little-known underwater drone company. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking 1.2 million shares, people. That's a huge vote of confidence. Now I know what you're thinking. Underwater drones? What is this, a spy movie? But hold on, but trust me, this is bigger than you think. Much bigger. These aren't your kids' pool toys. These are cutting-edge technologies. We're talking about sophisticated machines that are revolutionizing everything from ocean exploration to deep-sea mining. The potential is enormous. And Buffett, the guy who literally wrote the book on investing, sees massive potential in this company. He's not one to make hasty decisions. He's betting big that this is the next big thing. And when Buffett talks, people listen. They really do. He's known for his long-term investments, and this one's no different. He's in it for the long haul. He's basically burying treasure for the future, and you can get in on the action. Imagine the possibilities. Now I could spend the entire video breaking down why this company is a steal at its current price, but I don't want to bore you with all the technical details. There's so much to cover. Instead, here's what I'll do. I'll keep it simple and to the point. If you're serious about learning more about Buffett's 2025 time capsule, drop a drone in the comments below. Let's see how many of you are interested. If I see enough interest, I'll make a whole dedicated video just on this one stock. We'll dive deep into it. So, let me know if you're in, and let's dive deeper together. The ocean of opportunities awaits. Okay, let's talk real estate, because everyone knows that's where the real money's made, right? It's the cornerstone of wealth building, the bedrock of financial stability. But here's the thing, being a landlord in 2025 isn't about fixing leaky faucets and chasing down rent checks. It's evolved far beyond those traditional roles. It's about using technology to your advantage, and that's where this next investment comes in. Imagine leveraging cutting-edge tools to streamline every aspect of property management. This is a REIT, a real estate investment trust, that's using AI to completely change the game. It's not just about owning property, it's about smart ownership. This isn't our grandpa's REIT that's stuck in the past. This is forward-thinking, innovative, and designed for the modern investor. This company is using satellite data and predictive analytics to identify the best properties in the most resilient markets. It's like having a crystal ball for real estate. Think about it, they can analyze floodplains, earthquake zones, even local crime rates, all with the click of a button. It's data-driven decision-making at its finest. They're buying homes that are built to last in areas that are only going to become more desirable in the future. It's about long-term vision and sustainability. And the best part is, you don't have to deal with any of the hassles of being a landlord. No more stress, just pure investment joy. No late-night calls, no evictions, no toilets overflowing at 3 a.m. It's a hassle-free experience. You just sit back, collect your dividends, and watch your investment grow. It's passive income at its best. And trust me, it's growing. The potential here is enormous. My personal ROI on this one, 23% and climbing, it's a game changer. Now, I know you're probably thinking, hey, this sounds amazing, but how do I get in on this? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Well, you're in luck because I've got a special bonus for you. It's an exclusive opportunity. I've put together a free ticker list of my top AI-powered REITs, and you can grab it right now. These are my top picks. Just comment below, and it's all yours. Don't miss out on this chance to revolutionize your investment strategy. Alright, we've covered AI, passive income, real estate, and a myriad of other investment strategies, but I've saved the best for last. This is the one that could redefine your financial future. This last one is my secret weapon, the ace up my sleeve, the one I believe has the most potential to transform your portfolio in 2025 and beyond. Imagine a strategy so powerful, I'm calling it the invisible gold. And it's not just a catchy name. And no, it's not some kind of shady cryptocurrency or meme stock. It's something much bigger, more substantial, something that's been steadily growing in the shadows, ignored by most investors. It's been right under our noses. But here's the thing. While everyone else was busy chasing the latest fads, the hottest trends, this asset class has been quietly generating life-changing wealth for those in the know. It's the kind of wealth that can change your life. We're talking about returns of over 400% since 2024. Yes, you heard that right, 400%. It's almost unbelievable. Now I know I'm building the suspense here, but trust me, there's a method to my madness. This is such a powerful investment strategy, so far ahead of the curve, that it deserves its own dedicated video. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. In my next video, I'm pulling back the curtain and revealing the secret behind the invisible gold. I'm going to break down exactly what it is, how it works, and how you can start profiting from it immediately. But here's the catch. You have to be subscribed to the channel to see it. This is exclusive content for my loyal viewers, the ones who are serious about building wealth and achieving financial freedom. So, if you're not already subscribed, hit that button now and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on this game-changing information. So there you have it. My initial set and forget investments to make 2025 your richest year yet. Remember, building wealth doesn't have to be about staring at charts all day. It's about making smart, strategic investments that work for you, even while you're off living your life. But here's the thing. This is just a taste of what's possible. If you're serious about taking your investing to the next level, then you need to see my full 2025 portfolio blueprint. I'm talking about the exact percentages I invest in each of these assets, plus a few bonus picks that I didn't have time to cover in this video.